everybody, Shotgun here with our car of the day today. A very special automobile, a 1968 Ford Shelby Cobra GT 500. Steve, from our building here on Oak Tree Boulevard. Steve, tell us about this unbelievable automobile.
Well, I bought the car in Avon, Ohio, off of a nice lady in about 1998. It was sitting in the backyard with a piece of canvas over the top of it, 4 flat tires. And it took me 8 to 10 months to talk the lady into selling it to me. But when she finally did, I put it in the garage because I really couldn't afford to restore it. But it took about 2.5 or 3 years to restore it back to this condition. It's a low mileage car. Original owner was from Lakewood, and it just did turn 30,000 miles, so it doesn't have a lot of miles on it. The first owner bought this car to race only. He used to tow bar it to the drag strip and run it. According to a friend of his, the gentleman passed away, but a friend of his who used to go to the drag strip with him told me this car was a high 11-second car back in the day.
High 11?
High 11s.
Wow, that's very fast. A race car with an automatic?
About 140 miles an hour.
With an automatic now?
It's got a stock automatic
Wow.
with a shift kit in it, with 410 gears, 411 gears.
And it can go how fast?
140 and a quarter mile.
140 with a 411 gear rear end?
Yep.
Wow, that's amazing.
It at one time was a national record holder for quarter mile.
Really? Wow.
For pure stock.
You ever see the engine? These hood pins are locking hood pins. Pretty rare. And he said this is a 428 engine. Is this the police interceptor engine?
It is, except that it's been modified.
Shotgun's all about the engine. Check this out. Oh my. Steve, I see a speck of dirt. Right. What kind of fuel economy do you get?
Oh, about 9 miles a gallon, uphill or downhill.
It'd be cool to fire it up. Can you fire it up? Turn it over. Hope it starts. You know these Fords. Shelby. Good old American horsepower. Steve, I'm going to make you an offer. Cash. About $1,500. Right? It's my final offer.
What a deal.
Right?